In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Google Analytics installed on your website once the account has been created. So once you go through all the account creation, you're going to see this screen at the end. There's a couple of ways that we can get Google Analytics onto our website. One way is to just use this global site tag code and throw it onto the header section of header and footer scripts, the plugin that we use to run code. That's not the way we do it. I like to run it through Tag Manager. It's a lot cleaner and a lot less weight on the website. So the first thing we're going to do is come over here to tags and then create a new tag. And we're going to name this tag, which is going to be GA for Google Analytics, and then all pages. And we're going to configure the tag, which we're going to use Universal Analytics, and the tracking type is going to be page view. And then we're going to have to set up a variable for this. So we're going to select new variable, which brings us to this screen. And we're going to name the variable, which I'm going to use GA, just Google Analytics variable, and configure our variable. Here's where we're going to go back over to Analytics to this page. And we're going to grab this UA code and we're going to copy that and use that as the tracking ID. And we're going to save. And then we have to set up the trigger. So to configure that, it's really simple. We're just going to do all pages and then save. Once you have that set up, Google Analytics will fire through the Tag Manager, and that's how you set up Google Analytics.